In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up auto replies in WhatsApp Business. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This feature is really useful because it allows you to send automatic responses when you receive messages, letting others know exactly what you want them to know. To get started, open the WhatsApp Business app. Next, tap on the Business Tools section, which you'll find at the bottom of the screen. If you're having trouble locating it, go to Settings and select Business Tools from there. Once you're in the Business Tools section, scroll down until you find Messaging Tools. Here you can set up a greeting message, an away message, and quick replies. For this example, we'll set up an away message, so turn it on. You can choose the schedule for when the message is sent, and you can opt to send it to everyone. After that, type in the message you'd like to send automatically. Once you're done, tap Save in the top right corner. That's it. I just sent a message to this number, and when I checked the chat, the automatic reply was sent instantly.